We didn't do.
We didn't do this sum, right? I gave it for homework.
Yes.
Have you done the homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, Sakib has done it.
I have sent it.
Very good.
I've also done it.
Very good. Tabish also has done. What about you, Mohammed? Advaid? Forgot.
I didn't have my book to write it in.
You don't have. You don't have the textbook?
Notebook.
Notebook. But then
And
you,
textbook physical copy I don't have.
Yes, ma'am.
I did it,
I
ma'am.
had, but it is in India.
okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I finished it, but should I post it in Google person?
Of course, yes.
Okay.
The ones who have done it should post it. Okay. Now who will help me do this sum?
Ma'am, I can.
Okay, chalo.
Ma'am, can I?
Yeah, one by one, okay? I want to know how many maths tally will be there. How many maths tally is there?
13, ma'am.
Ma'am, 12.
12, ma'am.
12. So that means we can have
Yes,
1,
12.
2, 3, 4, and the fifth one will come like this, correct?
Yes.
And then again we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and again a fifth one will come like this, and then 2 more, right? Yes, and we are going to write 12 here. Everybody has got the same answer?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what about science? How many tally marks?
8.
Ma'am,
Tabish, how many?
8.
8. Sakib, how many? 8.
8, ma'am.
Okay. And others, do you have any other idea or it's 8 only? 8? Advaid, count. Count now and tell me how many.
Ma'am, it's 8. It's 8. I
You counted?
counted
only.
it a long time ago.
Okay, you counted. Now count arts.
Ma'am, can I?
Yeah.
2, ma'am. Not a lot of people like arts.
I hope you all have made the tally marks like how I'm making in a group of 5.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes,
we
ma'am.
did.
Yeah.
I have, ma'am.
Okay.
Can I show you?
Yeah, please do. One minute,
Look,
Mohammed.
this
Yeah,
is math.
that's right.
5,
Yes,
5,
Tabish, I can see your work also. Good. Sakib, show me your work, beta.
2.
Yeah, correct. That's nice. Yes. Good. Okay. Now arts. Arts, how many?
2.
2.
Ma'am, only 2.
Only 2. Okay, so we make only 2. Okay, history, how many?
Ma'am, 6.
Sakib, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mohammed, 6, correct?
Yes, ma'am. It's 6 only.
Advaid, have you counted?
Yeah, it's 6.
Okay. Okay. And others, how many?
2.
2, ma'am.
I'm sorry. Okay, 2. So how many total we have?
30, ma'am.
30.
Okay, now which is a popular subject?
Math.
Math.
Maths. So
Math,
our
ma'am.
answer, yeah, our answer will be maths. This is how you're supposed to do the frequency table. The frequency table will have one column for the data. That means the subjects or the score or whatever. The second column will be for the tally marks. And the tally marks are the standing lines in a group of 5, where 4 will be standing and the fifth one will be a slant line. And the last column will be the frequency one, where you will write it in number. The tally marks will be written in number and the last line will have the total. Is it very clear how you will make the frequency table?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's nice. Now we are doing question number 4. Okay, are you all set? Ready? Can we go ahead? Some people were asked to choose their favorite sport out of football. Football is F, rugby R, basketball B, hockey H, and tennis T. The results are below. Okay, the results have been given. Now draw a frequency table to show the information. So what are we going to do? How is our table going to be? The first column is going to be of the sport.
Sport.
Yeah. So we will make first column. Yeah, our first column will be sport. Okay, then it will be tally. Okay, and lastly it will be frequency. Do you all agree?
Yes.
Yes. Then under sport, our first will be football. Okay, and in bracket we will write F. Are you all doing with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Please do it with me so that you don't have homework. And you can even do more than me. Advait, you have not managed to get a book yet.
Ma'am, I'm writing only.
Wow, that's nice. Okay. I thought you don't have a book yet. The first tally is going to come in rugby. Okay. Then again, it's going to come in rugby. Then it's going to go for basketball. Okay. And then for football. Then again football. Again football. And hockey. Then we have football again. Okay. Then we have rugby. Then we have tennis. Then we have rugby again. Okay, then we have basketball. Then we have football again. Now that has to be tally. Okay. Then tennis. Then we have rugby again. Aside. Then we have football again. Okay. Then we have rugby again. Then we have football.
Ma'am, rugby you did make a line.
The slant one I have not made. The slant
Okay, we
lines
have
I
to
have not
make, right?
made because if I make, I will have to come out of this text box.
Okay.
Yeah,
So it's like 7 right now, right?
yeah, yeah.
So ma'am, rugby is 7 right now, right?
Yeah, now let me
No,
check.
now 8, 9. Now it's 9.
8.
8. Rugby is
Rugby
8.
is 8, ma'am.
Yeah, rugby is 8. Basketball is
Yes.
3.
6.
Basketball, beta?
3, 3, ma'am. 3.
3, na? Basketball is 3, right? Football
Yes,
1
ma'am.
second.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am.
1, 2, 3,
Football is 6.
5.
6.
Yeah, we are right. 6. Okay, and
Hockey.
hockey is 2. Hockey is 2.
Yes. Yes.
And
And
tennis is 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct?
yes, 5 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
So
now I'm only
that's
going
what
to
I
give those slant lines so that we know the count.
8, 2, 2. Total is 24, ma'am.
I'm 24.
What is total 24?
24.
Okay. Now, what is the answer to what is the most popular sport?
Rugby.
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 Okay. How many people were asked?
Rugby.
No, how many people were asked?
24 people, ma'am.
24 people were asked. Is it very clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So, do we know the answer? The answer for B is rugby. And the answer for C is 24.
Done, ma'am.
Very good. Have you understood how to do? Any doubt?
Yes. No, ma'am.
Okay. So now we move to question number 5. Mrs. Gupta gave her class a spelling test. These are the student scores out of 20. Okay, these are the scores that have been given. Copy and complete the grouped frequency table. Now, when I say grouped frequency table, it means to say that they have made classes. They have not said 1 mark के लिए 2 mark, 3 mark, 4 mark, ऐसा नहीं. Group बनाया है 1 to 5 इधर डालो, 6 to 10 इधर डालो, ऐसा. Have you understood what I'm saying? They don't
Yes,
want us tally marks for each mark. They want us to put a tally for a group of marks. So that is called as a grouped frequency table. They have given us a class interval, a range. Do you remember the word range? We learned in science, the lowest and the highest. 1 to 5.
Yes.
1 is lowest, 5 is highest. Okay. Chalo, let us make the tally marks very quickly. The first one is 12. So it's going to come in the third row. Okay. Then it is 19. It is going to come in the fourth row. Then 7. Then 18. Then 15. 2. 6. 20. 8. 12. 10. 17. And then 16. Then again 12. Then 5. Then 11. 13, 11, 4, 9. Then we have 18. Then we have 8. Then it is 16. 13. Then 14. 19. 9. And 18. Just check if I have done correctly.
Twenty-eight, ma'am, total.
Yes, total is 28. How many students are there in Mrs. Gupta's class?
28.
28.
28.
Very good. How many students have a score in the class interval 16 to 20?
9.
9.
9.
How many students got more than half the spellings correct? More than half the spellings correct कितने लोग हैं?
10.
अभी अभी देखो more than half कितना होगा out of 20? More than 10. Correct? From
Yes,
11 from 11 to 20, how many children are there? 18.
18.
Yes, ma'am.
So we can say that 18 students have got more than half the spellings correct. Explain how you worked out your answer. We will say half of 20 is 10. So about 10, we have 18 students in the frequency table. Therefore, we will say 18 students got more than half the spellings correct.
Mom, how did you get 18?
See, they are asking us got more than half the spellings. How many, what is the total out of marks? 20.
8.
So what is half of 20? 10.
Okay, okay, I get it.
Yeah, more than half means we have to see about 10. How many people have got about 10 marks?
18.
Yes. Everybody is done?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I erase it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now question number 6. I want you all to do at home. Okay. And this question number 6 is actually asking you to make a grouped frequency table. And they have told you to use the groups like 1 to 3, 4 to 6, 7 to 9, and 10 to 12. Okay. And these are the results. You have to tally them. Okay. And then the last answer, if you can answer, otherwise at least make the frequency table. Is it very clear? Do you know your homework? Yes?
Yes. Yes.
That's nice. Now with this, we have actually completed the chapter. In the next class, I'm going to do with you. No, I think one exercise, the theory exercise is left. Do you remember I left one theory exercise in between?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
On the
6.2.
previous.
Yeah, so that theory exercise I will do in the next class, and then we will do the end of unit questions. Then with that, we will complete our chapter. Is it very clear? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we end our class for today here. Do your homework. Question number 6. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the next class. We will do it in the class, no issues. Okay. Chalo, bye-bye. Have a great day.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.